Okay, we are back for episode 3. This is going to be more fun for me because it's on one of my favorite topics, marine mammals. So we are again looking at some of these squalodon teeth. Something new for us, some sperm whale teeth. And then some other unknowns or odontocetes teeth. So for those who were Lee Creek hunters, we were very much looking forward to Lee Creek Volume 4 coming out, which was going to go over the different teeth of marine mammals, or at least the different species. We were really hoping that there would be some sort of identification guide based on species. Unfortunately, that volume did not go into enough depth. So for what we can look at here, we know we have at least one, if not two species of squalodon. Calvertensis, a possibly new tiny one. Again, most likely calvertensis. This is very much looking like a squalodon, but I don't believe it is. This is either one or numerous species of sperm whale teeth. This one was actually found crushed. Somebody had stepped on it, and I picked up every piece and glued it back together. So there is no real identification guide saying that anything with a erupted enamel tip or unerupted or worn enamel tips aren't from the same species or represent different species. This is just a collection I have of some other teeth also from Lee Creek. Unfortunately, the best that I can identify these is potential sperm whale. This is Hadrodolphus calvertensis. These are seal teeth. This one is rather coolly bitten straight off, but the dual roots and base of the tooth remain. The rest, unfortunately, will just have to go down as unknown odontocetes, dolphins, possibly sperm whales. There is just not enough out in the literature on these little guys to break them down into species. Really, the best you can hope for is to have a rather large, like this Hadrodolphus, or this conical structure. You can see the rings and the tip of a sperm whale tooth. The rest is really just varies by the size of the animal, the location of the tooth and the jaw. Very hard to get a species identification off of these. That said, they're still really rare. The further you get down along the Calvert Cliffs, once you're out of the Calvert Formation, there's a big change in the number and type of species. So picking up dolphin teeth the further south you go into the Chop Tank, whale teeth into the St. Mary's Formation becomes exciting. There's not a whole lot of them known from that area, so if you see one, pick it up.